guys, I'm Harshal and today I'll be talking to you about men's wear essential, a pair of jeans. From the last few years, I've been struggling finding a good pair of jeans that fits me and looks good. And in that time, I have been wearing cargos, trousers and jeans that are not very comfortable. So I did my research and got to know the perfect pair of jeans are the jeans which fits you best and that looks great. So I got to the mall and bought jeans from this brand factory. So let me show you the first jeans that I bought. I literally tried more than 10 pairs of jeans to find the perfect one that fits me right. So these were the first pair of jeans. It is Levi's 504 regular straight. It fits comfortable, it's made 100% from cotton and affordable. It was 34 length, so the store altered it to my length, and I am going to taper the bottom a little bit because it is baggy. It costed $13.99 without taxes.
Very long time I wished to have this color of jeans, and finally I got these jeans.
For the longest time I have not been a fan of stretchy jeans because they were very uncomfortable. Those are generally very tight and sticky. I didn't prefer stretchy jeans, but for this next pair I got this black jeans, namely the Levi's 513 slim straight, which are like the best jeans I liked over there in the store, so I bought them. These were also $13.99 flat, so I got a great deal. And generally the Levi's jeans are very costly as compared with the other brands. It had the quality which I wanted and they last for a long time. These jeans are 99% cotton and 1% elastane. They fit very nicely. I only altered it to my height. Rather than that, there is no need of slimming. These were the nicest fitting jeans out of the rack that I tried. So in my dictionary, these were the two essential jeans that every guy needs because they are stylish and very comfortable. The grand total for this was 3,000. I'll be continuing this series of men's style essential, and these jeans will last for a really long time. Stay tuned for the next essential video. Click here to subscribe, click here to watch my last video, and like the video if you enjoyed watching it.